Refinery says it has reduced the price of its petrol to 899 naira 50 kobo per litre to provide relief for Nigerians ahead of the Christmas and New Year holiday season. In a statement, the company's spokesperson, Anthony Chejina, said the price reduction is designed to ease transport costs during the festive period. The refinery also said consumers can purchase an additional litre of fuel on credit for every litre bought on a cash basis. NaijaNews reports that the private-owned refinery had in November lowered the price of its petrol to 970 naira per litre to alleviate transport costs during this holiday season. Dangote refinery is offering a holiday discount on PMS. From today, our petrol will be available at 899 naira 50 kobo per litre at our truck loading gantry or SPM. Furthermore, for every litre purchased on a cash basis, consumers will have the opportunity to buy another litre on credit, backed by a bank guarantee from Access Bank, Post Bank, or Zenith Bank, said Chejina, the spokesman for the refinery, with a capacity of 650,000 barrels per day. BDP also expressed gratitude to Nigerians for their continued support as the country enters the festive season. Chejina further emphasized the refinery's commitment to ensuring Nigerians have access to premium quality petroleum products that are competitively priced, as well as environmentally and engine-friendly. He highlighted that the refinery's operations marks the end of Nigeria's being a dumping ground for substandard and blended imported products, which have posed significant risk to human health, machinery, and the environment. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.